Hi, welcome back to Antai Hospital's YouTube channel here today, and we'd like to continue on our PCOS series discussing an important topic. Patients who have received the surgical treatment of PCOS, they still come to us and say, why are they still struggling to get pregnant? Why did they follow our instructions? They received proper treatment at hospitals near their area, received the surgical techniques, they've watched our videos, but they still are unable to get pregnant, or they are still miscarrying. What is going on here? Now, there are several reasons why this might occur. First of all, it may be due to the technicality or expertise of the doctors that you have gone to, because they might not be as skilled or experienced as our doctors here at Antai Hospital. Secondly, which is the most primary cause, is that there was not a full diagnosis conducted. That's why your treatment is only partially completed. Now, what do I mean by that is that obviously your PCOS has been diagnosed and treated. However, you have another underlying condition that is causing the infertility or recurrent miscarriage. Now, to us here at Antai Hospital, is glaringly obvious because we've seen it happen time and time again over the past 2 decades. That's why we put emphasis on proper diagnosis. We've spent hundreds and thousands of dollars in facilities, in diagnostic tech kits and equipments to emphasize the diagnosis phase, because diagnosis phase will shed a lot of light on what is the entirety and the scope of the condition of the patient. And we've already mentioned before that PCOS patients, they usually come with another factor. The most common ones are PCOS patients who have PCOS and another form of septate or naive uterus, which means they have a form of uterine malformation. Why you didn't experience healthy pregnancy after your treatment was that your naive uterus or septate was not diagnosed, was not taken seriously. That's why it led to another miscarriage again. So it has nothing to do with the PCOS anymore. It is another undiagnosed factor. Furthermore, there could be patients who are having a PCOS and an immunity factor due to history of multiple induced abortions. That's why you didn't get your immunity factor diagnosed and treated, but only your PCOS, and the outcome is still the same: no pregnancy or still miscarrying. Another example is PCOS patients who have a cervical insufficiency or short cervix that was undiagnosed, untreated by your doctor, and it led to the same outcome. So you need to actually properly find an expert medical institution with actual doctors that can back up their claims, that can actually be responsible for your treatment outcome. Many irresponsible doctors have your condition treated, but they do not be responsible for your treatment outcome. If you still are miscarrying, if you're still unable to get pregnant, they don't really care. They will just want you to pay more money, receive more treatment again, because it is a business to them. Here at the hospital, if you are unable to get pregnant after our treatment, we offer you full refund guarantee, because that's the least we can do for patients who are struggling for years and years trying to get children. At Antai Hospital, that's why all our treatments are contractual and come with full refund guarantee, because our word is our assurance for our patients to help you achieve your dreams of starting a family. And we are also well equipped and very experienced in dealing with all forms of conditions that can lead to pregnancy failures. So that's why here at Antai Hospital, we urge our patients, if you'd like to seek proper treatment, please come to Antai Hospital for that treatment. Now, if you do want to seek proper treatment, even if it's not here at Antai Hospital, you need to identify expert medical institutions that are specializing in the treatment of PCOS, and they have years and years of experience. Secondly, they need to do proper diagnosis, full comprehensive diagnosis, to make sure that every single factor has been diagnosed, and always make sure to get a second or third opinion in other hospitals or clinics from other doctors as well, to just confirm that full diagnosis has been conducted. And thirdly, you have to make sure that these doctors are responsible in some way towards the treatment outcome, because if their treatment failure has led to your pregnancy failure, they need to have some form of responsibility towards this outcome. At Antai Hospital, we are always ready to serve our patients who experience PCOS, because this condition can be easily diagnosed and treated here at Antai Hospital with a full refund guarantee. Now, if you are interested for more information on this form of contractual treatment that's offered here at the hospital for PCOS patients, please visit the website, leave me some comments down below, and stay tuned to the next one.